the fundamental principle of universal access to emergency health care is not being questioned. But how we get there matters. And this report, while I believe well-intentioned, conflates humanitarian obligation with open-ended entitlement. The rapporteur is right that preventive primary care is more cost-effective than emergency treatment. The evidence from Switzerland and Germany is clear. Investing in early medical screening at reception centers is not generosity. It is responsible public health policy designed to protect everyone. However, and speaking for my party, a resolution that instructs member states to decouple health care access entirely from migration status, including for those who have entered illegally and are subject to return, goes further than what EU law requires and further than what democratic publics have mandated. In our view, the firewall provisions proposed in the opinion document would, in practice, make irregular presence status in Europe medically consequence-free. That is a policy choice that must be debated openly, not smuggled in through human rights language. My party also cautions against the blanket condemnation of return hubs and externalization. These instruments, where properly monitored, are a legitimate part of migration management. The Assembly should demand rigor and oversight and adequate healthcare standards within such facilities, not their abolition. Colleagues, let us pass a resolution that is credible, implementable and honest with our own citizens. Protect the vulnerable, yes. Guarantee emergency care, yes. But let us not pretend that unlimited entitlement, regardless of status, is without cost and without consequence in our countries. The right to health is universal. The right to remain is not. We can be humane without being naive, and this Assembly should have the courage to say so. Thank you.